وبيننا معاد.
Assalamualaikum everyone, I'm Eeshal and I'm super duper excited today because I got my birthday gift from my cousin Ayat Fatma. Yay! And I'm gonna unbox my gift today. Wow, it's so pretty! Ayat, can you explain me how to use it? Sure. So guys, you have every single thing, dua or surahs, and if you pray, it's like every step of the namaz, and from here you can end it. And it's all says when children put their feet, knees, nose, and hands. And this is the Khana Kaaba plate, and this is starting with wudu, Qibla, and Azan, Fajr, Duhur, Asr, Maghrib, and Isha. These 3 books come with this prayer mat. This book is for parents, and the other book is the activity book, and the last book is a manual book. Boys and girls both can use this mat. The best gift I have ever received.